Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale. And comes equipped with Park View rear backup camera, Sirius XM satellite radio, keyless entry, chrome bumpers, alloy wheels, outside temperature display, electronic stability control, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, active grille shutters, tire pressure monitoring system, and much more. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.